I like helping people. To have someone who's been wearing a denture for 20 to 30 years, and then you can offer them something where they can function again. They can eat anything they want to eat, and they can smile, and they can talk. And you'll find that people can go from a person who looks like they're never happy to one that looks like they're always happy. If people can laugh and enjoy what they're doing and understand that the goal of the whole thing is to take care of the patients, that's how you put together a team for me. And if you'll notice, everybody in my office, they spend a lot of time laughing and smiling. I joined the Academy of General Dentistry when I was in dental school. And then I looked at the master track deal, and it looked to me to be impossible. I believe it's like 1,100 hours of continuing education. And what you are required to do is for each thing, whether it be oral surgery or endodontics or periodontics, anything like that, you have got to take a course, and you take that course. Then you're given a homework assignment, which is treat several cases. You take the cases, and you have to photograph every step. When I went to Iraq, I bought a digital camera, and I learned how to use it. And when I was over there, I have a few things that I told myself I was going to do if I got out of there, and finish the Master Track program was one of them. There are not a lot of Master Track people, or Master in the Academy of General Dentistry. 2,000 in the country, maybe. For a long time, I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, and my roommate's father was a dentist. I knew his father, got to know him, and when he went to dental school, I went in service. I spent 3.5 years flying C-130s around the Atlantic Ocean, Europe, Southern Atlantic. I really had aspirations of being an airline pilot. That was in the first fuel crisis back in 73 or 74. You couldn't get an application for an airline job. Went back to graduate school and ran across my buddy again and got to talk about dental school. I applied to dental school and got accepted. National Guard recruiter came by and they asked me if I'd be interested in joining the National Guard. So I joined the infantry brigade and stayed there for 25 years. We had several missions in Iraq, and one of them was to help the Iraqi people overcome the last 10 years of embargo. The villagers had very little. There were a lot of people who did a lot of things over there that don't quite get noticed, and some people do get noticed for things. And not that I did any more than anybody else did, I just happened to got my picture taken. That one time in particular, we were out in the middle of a soccer field, and it was 125 degrees, and we were doing basic health care and taking out teeth and a few things like that. In the military, a Bronze Star is a prestigious award, but there are two types of Bronze Stars. There's the meritorious service, which is what that one is, and there's the Bronze Star for valor, which is being actually shot at. Now, how you go from flying airplanes to taking care of people, I'm not sure.